Where are my viewers? Yup, I'm a single mother. Hello, shout out. A single mother. Hello to my 19 viewers. Hello to Rakem Tereda. Hi, can you do that? No. Where the electric fan is. Challenge mask. I have my challenge mask in my Patreon. Not here. Hello. Hi to my 141 viewers. Like 7. Thank you, Bong Trisno. Open push. With that. No, no, not like that, guys. So bad. I want to. Give me number. Ay, my lipstick or my lips? Hello, Christopher Washington. Show me this cheese string. Go to my Patreon account. You can see the string over there. Like pay, yummy. I want comb. Hi everyone. I'm just preparing. I'm going to sleep after this. I'm wearing like this because I am comfortable sleep like this because it's too hot during nighttime here. It's too hot. Nice hair color. Thank you. Thank you. Hello Kevin Conley from Boston. Hi. Are you back? Um, Thank you for admiring my hair. You got your hair very nice. Please side, please. Nice up. In the side. Thank you for appreciating my hair. Oh, we have only fans. What's fans? Christopher Washington. Standard my red straight. What's that? I'll delete the bad message. Okay. Hello, mommy. Let me say thank you. Oh, hello, Bong Trees. No, hi. Shout out to my 131 viewers. Hello, guys. It's new charts. Wait. Sometimes forgot my sa sleeping. Sleep already. Mom is still live. Could be embarrassed if I was your kid. No, I'm not. Why? No ego. From Philippines, you want Garrington husband? Who's Garrington husband? First time I heard that word. Hello, Hamid Hamoda. Hi. Please, no open doors here. Mamba ka do. Sarap mo lagi kitang pinapanood. Hello to Bing Lace. Hi, thank you, Bing Lace. Thank you for always watching me on live. Hi, King Dahan Baby. Thank you. Not controlling baby. Which is full of love for you. Hello, Hamid Hamoda. So, what is that? You can say hi, hello to me. Hello, Walking Tall. Walking Tall is my all viewers. Beautiful, sexy, cute, nice mom. Hi. Hi to Bang Jomali Ali. Hello, Johnny. Agad. My eyes is so